In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mount Google Drive to Google Colab. Whether you're looking to access files, manage data, or run scripts that require files from your Google Drive, integrating your Drive with Colab offers a seamless experience that's both time efficient and convenient. Now let's dive straight into the steps and see how it's done. First, you'll need to open up a new tab and head over to Google Colab. If you're unfamiliar, Colab is a free Jupyter notebook environment that runs entirely in the cloud, allowing cooperation and easy sharing, which is perfect for projects involving machine learning or data analysis. Once you've navigated to the Colab homepage, you should see a welcome screen that provides you with several options to begin working on your project. As you familiarize yourself with this interface, locate the folder icon on the left-hand side of your Colab environment. This icon is crucial as it provides access to your file browser within Google Colab. Clicking on this folder icon will open a panel that displays your current working directory and additional options to connect to a cloud service. Next, let's move on to the Google Drive icon within the file browser panel. This icon is your gateway to directly accessing your Google Drive files from your Colab session. Clicking on the Google Drive icon will prompt an option labelled Connect to Google Drive, exactly what we need to integrate the two platforms. At this point, click on Connect to Google Drive. Google Colab will begin the process of linking your Drive to the Colab environment, which typically involves signing into your Google account if you haven't done so already. It's essential that you authorize Colab to access your files so that it can read and write data from your Drive. Don't worry, this process is entirely secure and standard practice. Once you've given the necessary permissions, Colab will automatically mount your Google Drive, making your files accessible directly from the notebook interface. You'll see a Drive folder appear inside the file browser on the left panel, indicating that you're successfully connected. Finally, remember that each time you start a new Colab session, you'll need to rerun this process to remount your Drive to that session. Although it may initially seem like an extra step, it ensures optimal security, safeguarding your data while maintaining ease of access. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to mounting your Google Drive on Google Colab. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly import, export, and manage files within your Colab projects, offering you a powerful toolkit for any data-centric task. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.